Disaster after disaster after disaster. Here's another one. Somebody tried to do their own HDMI port and ripped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pads. Unbelievable. Let's see what we can do over here. Alright, so the first step is complete. I put this port on a little bit to the right of the pins so I can be able to safely put a bunch of wires on the left of the pins on the ones that need to be traced. So here's the first one, go into the diode right here. Alright, so we did 4 traces. These 2 are going to the diodes right here, and that little one is up there. Now the trick is this one, to get it over here, we have to put a mask on and we'll wait for it to dry. Alright, so we're curing the mask with the UV light. Basically, we made our own layer here on this motherboard, so let's go. And it was time to test, and then I noticed that there was so we're back with this one that got hit on the side right there, and the problem is this APU right here. So when you get it hit right there on the side, it will affect 2,000 pins of this APU that's right here. So let's put it under the Metcal and see what happens. Metcal right now, and here's the profile. We're gonna run that and see what happens. And we're off. We did the first phase right here. Now we're up to the second phase. We got the third and the fourth, and then we do a nice cooling. All right, so we're cooling right now. All right, so it's off the cooker. Let's turn it on. What do we got here? Oh, the test test tells me that something is not connected properly. It is white light, so we fixed the blue light of death problem here. Now we gotta fix the actual issue. Found a bridge under the heat, so everything is back together connected.